today we have the 2016 Hyundai Santa Fe. This vehicle has done just under 80,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have hands-free calling, automatic headlights, and our keyless ignition. On the right, we have cruise control and automatic wipers. Moving on to our screen, we can access our climate control, radio and media, settings, info, navigation, and smartphone integration. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below we have our heated seats. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior and get a good view of our panoramic roof.